If you've been in the wedding industry for like 5 minutes, people everywhere are telling you how you need to brand your business. And it's true. But it can be really overwhelming to figure out where to start. I have the solution for you. Hi, I'm Valerie, educational guide for the newer wedding planner. I have branded and rebranded several companies, including my wedding business and my current company, Engage Wedding Planner Academy. Each time I've gone through the process, I've learned valuable nuggets of branding gold, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. Branding is one of the most confusing and complicated topics when it comes to creating a business. Won't lie. A brand is not just your logo, it's the way you make someone feel when looking at your website, social media, and even interacting with you. Here's one business myth I'm happy to bust. You don't have to hire a designer to create your brand. If you have limited funds and limited resources, the DIY method is a great place to start. Though, without really good guidance, some common outcomes to this method could be they focus too much on what they like and forget about their target audience, their wants, interests, and needs, or their brand is only focused on their visual identity. Or maybe their brand elements don't reflect their mission statement, personality, or values. But most commonly, their brand lacks consistency and confuses people. Avoid these mistakes. Our DIY branding workbook for wedding planners can help you achieve a branding identity that is both visually appealing and with a heart and soul that will attract your ideal client. Setting up your brand right from the get-go will allow you to capture your target market more efficiently and effortlessly. Inside our 67-page workbook, we've simplified the branding process and broken it down into a 3-pronged framework so you can create a total brand experience. We provide resources, how-to videos, tons of planning sheets. By the time you complete this workbook, you'll feel confident in creating a brand that not only you love, but also your ideal client will too. Building a brand is not something that happens overnight, but with this workbook, you'll get there a whole lot faster.